Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text to your videos in VLLO step by step in a simple and easy way. First, open the VLLO app on your mobile phone. Make sure the app loads completely so you can access all options. Once the app opens, tap on New Project to start editing a new video. This will allow you to select a video from your gallery. Now select the video that you want to edit and add text to. After selecting, adjust the video's ratio, size, or other settings as needed. Once your video is ready, tap on Create Project at the bottom of the screen. This will open the editing workspace. At the bottom, you'll see multiple options. Tap on Text to start adding text to your video. Once you tap Text, multiple options will appear on the bottom left or right side. Select text style, font, and double tap on it to start typing. Now type whatever you want to add to your video. You can adjust the size, color, and position of the text as needed. And that's it. This is how you can easily add text to your videos using VLLO. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Solution Lab. Also, comment below if you want more video editing tutorials.